Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make complex tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling a super useful skill: removing the background from a picture on your iPhone in 2025. With the latest iOS updates, this process is faster and more precise than ever, perfect for creating standout images for social media, presentations, or creative projects. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and open the Photos app. It's the one with the colorful flower icon, easy to find. Once you're in, select the photo you want to edit by tapping on it. Now, hit the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a variety of tools to enhance your image. Look for the Remove Background option, which is prominently featured in the editing menu. Thanks to the 2025 updates, it's more intuitive now. Tap on it, and your iPhone will use advanced AI to automatically detect and remove the background. If it doesn't get it quite right, don't worry. You can use the Refine tool to manually adjust the edges for a cleaner cut. After you're happy with the result, tap Done to save your changes. You can choose to save it as a new photo or replace the original, your call. And just like that, you've got a background-free image ready to use. One quick tip. This feature works best on high-quality photos with clear subjects, so make sure your picture is well lit. If you're new to iPhone editing, practice on a few shots to get the hang of it. There you have it. Removing backgrounds on your iPhone is now a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.